फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, you're watching Cricket Next Time. Ramya Kaushik, what a thriller we just witnessed. Afghanistan are now through to the Super 8 and now they'll be reaching to the semi-final of the T20 World Cup 2024. Well, Super 8s were a very nervy thing for Afghanistan. They got a taste of defeat at the hands of the Indian team and they were thinking, how they'll manage a win over Australia. They did so quite comfortably, but against Bangladesh, there was everything in the match. There was drama, entertainment, nervousness, excitement, interest. Everything was there in that game, and obviously that suspense and those nervousness at the end of the balls, at the end of the overs. But at the end of the day, we are seeing Afghanistan with those smiles. After the match, we saw how Afghanistan were thanking the fans who were present in the stadium, and not only Afghanistan, West Indies were also celebrating their win because they were cheering for Afghanistan's victory. Because in this match, not just two teams were playing, there were three teams. There was Australia, there was Afghanistan, and there was Bangladesh, and each and every team had their own chances to go to the semi-final of the T20 World Cup. But it's Afghanistan and Australia have been knocked out. Well, what do we call, or what do we say after this match? Let's hear it out from Kanav Bali and my colleague Soumya Kapoor, as they'll be the ones telling me what were their feelings. Guys, you started off, you woke up early to watch this match. Soumya, first of all, tell me, when at around 8 or 9, you must have seen, how Australia's players were sticking to their screens. They were also watching this match. As an Indian fan, you were also watching this match. What was in your mind?
Afghanistan has silenced Australia. Simple, basic stuff. We have we have given it back. We and the neighbors have given it back. See, it was always about Australia. Australia, Afghanistan se hara. You were not expecting that, and then they lost to India. They gave away more than 200 runs. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, आपने टॉस जीत के बॉलिंग करी क्यों, जब आपको पता है बारिश का भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता था, डीएलएस मेथड भी बीच में आ सकता था. तो वो दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट ऑस्ट्रेलियाज डिसीजन मेकिंग व्हिच didn't really go right, but kudos to Afghanistan, yeah, the way they have been playing, and this has been on the cards. Okay, I was talking to someone else also the other night. अफगानिस्तान जिस तरीके का क्रिकेट खेल रहा है पिछले 2-3 साल से, स्पेसिफिकली द वे दे गॉट देयर टेस्ट स्टेटस, उसके बाद जिस तरीके से उन्होंने ओडीआई वर्ल्ड कप पे परफॉर्म करा, दैट वाज ग्लेन मैक्सवेल्स नॉक दैट सर्टेनली गॉट देम आउट ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट. वरना अगर वो नहीं होता तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया को वो मैच भी उन्होंने हरा दिया था. सो यू कुड सेंस कि वो दे वर अराउंड दैट जोन जहाँ पे वो किसी एक आईसीसी टूर्नामेंट की सेमीफाइनल फाइनल में पहुंचने वाली टीम बन गई थी. एशिया से एक और ऐसा जायंट खड़ा ऑलरेडी हो गया है जो ये चीजें कर सकता है, जो ये इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे, इतने बड़े टूर्नामेंट में इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकता है. सो दिस वाज ऑन द कार्ड्स एंड फाइनली इट हैज कम, एंड इट हैज कम एट अ वेरी गुड टाइम, क्योंकि T20 एक वर्ल्ड कप में जहाँ पे 20 टीमें खेल रही थी, नाउ यू द टॉप 4. It's great, and congratulations to Rashid Khan, congratulations to Afghanistan, the way they have put up their show. वो एक काइंड ऑफ अ स्वीट रिवेंज है इंडिया की तरफ से भी एंड अफगानिस्तान की तरफ से भी. नवीन उलक की जो एक स्टोरी बहुत वायरल हो रही थी, जिन्होंने इंस्टाग्राम पे डाली थी. सो दैट इज द वे यू टेक योर रिवेंजेस, एंड ग्रेट पिक्चर यार. ये जिस तरीके का फोटो हमारे स्क्रीन पर है, I know this shows the kind of hard work the players have been putting in for so many years, the kind of hard work the generations have put in. यार आप इन लोगों को याद रखोगे, लेकिन जो इनसे पहले खेल कर गए हैं, असगर अफगान, जादरान द लेफ्ट आर्म पेसर, और बहुत ऐसे लड़के हैं, बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं जिनका नाम शायद हमने सुना भी नहीं है कभी, या सुनने को शायद मिलेगा भी नहीं इजीली आगे. तो उन लोगों की सबकी मेहनत है. दैट इज अ कंबाइंड एफर्ट व्हिच इज शोइंग द रिजल्ट्स.
Absolutely, Soumya. I think you have summed it up very beautifully because, it was so important for all of us to discuss Australia-India match as well. But the other day, India defeated Australia, and then Australia were, on their screens. They were waiting for this match. They were waiting for Afghanistan and Bangladesh match, where they wanted Bangladesh to defeat Afghanistan so they could have managed to go to the semi-final round. But eventually, it's the other way around, and Afghanistan have qualified for the semi-final. So quickly, before we talk about the semi-final stage and Afghanistan's performance against Bangladesh, and sum it up, let me tell you that from Group 1, India and Afghanistan are reaching to the semi-final stage. From Group 2, it's South Africa and England. So these are the 4 teams with you for the semi-final stage, the top 4 for the T20 World Cup 2024. And quite a few people called Afghanistan as the underdogs. They also called Afghanistan as the minnows. But Afghanistan's players, they proved that they are a team which has improved a lot over the years. Now, I'll just say one line, and then we'll also bring in Taus Rizvi, our expert, and we'll continue our discussion with Afghanistan's performance. Rashid Khan, after victory, said it's a dream come true moment. The ones who must have seen the match and the post-match, you could have spotted the visual where Gurbaz was crying badly. He was crying in the dressing room, and he couldn't contain the win. All the players were teary-eyed because it's a dream for them. And Rashid said that, we started to believe in ourselves when we defeated New Zealand. And then everything happened. Everything was in their case. They defeated Australia. Now they've defeated Bangladesh, and now they are to the semi-finals. Well, on that note, let's bring in Taus Rizvi, our expert. Taus, yesterday in one of our live shows, said that if Afghanistan don't win this one, and if India don't defeat Australia, then he'll take a bucket and he'll drown in that. Taus, I think you have saved a lot of water. You said the exact line, and I still remember. I think you're saving water, and you must be all happy now.
Absolutely, and I'm not drowning anymore. I mean, like India has qualified and Afghanistan too, and now that Australia is not going, I'm more relieved that Australia is not going. That is the biggest thing. Of course, Afghanistan, as all were saying, underdogs. Not anymore, not anymore. Afghanistan is not underdogs anymore. Can't call you have to take them seriously from now on. I mean, forget from now on. Yeah, India has some chances. They have all the experience, but then Afghanistan has some firepower, some amazing talent, and that passion to win. So that is something what we have seen over the recent times. I have some stories. I'll have some amazing stories from the last World Cup that will show exactly why Afghanistan is a great side and a passionate side. But I'll tell in the later stages. But for now, I mean, amazing win. What a win, yeah. And the Oscar performance from Gulabdin, definitely that he deserves an Oscar as well.
I think that was the highlight of the match, For the watch the match live, I'll quickly sum it up for all of you. So, for DLS method to work and for Bangladesh to win, they needed 83 runs. And at that point of time, Bangladesh had made 81. Which meant that agar barish or continue hoti, match aage nahi badhta, so Afghanistan could have won it by 2 runs. And it was a very tense situation because there were still a few balls left. And Afghanistan team were also getting messages from the dressing room. Coach was there, everybody was there. But then Gulbuddin Naib's super performance with that, he holded his thigh muscle and he was like seen in deep pain, and everybody thought there's something going on. But I think the commentators spotted it pretty well because they mentioned that it's high level acting, and they said that it's good to use such tactics in such an important game. Yes, there's this image, this happened.
So I guess Ramya, you have missed out the post match memes. Okay. So they after they won, he's running, he's leading that pack while celebrating that run kind of a thing. तो उसके मीम्स बन रहे हैं कि अभी ये भाग रहा है सबसे आगे, अभी इसको 10 मिनट पहले 25 मिनट पहले से तो मिरेकल, हाँ मिरेकल
अभी तो ये अपना हैमस्ट्रिंग पकड़कर नीचे लेटे हैं, उसके बाद उन्होंने ओवर भी डाला यार, मतलब बड़ी जल्दी विकेट भी लिया.
I was reading Ian Smith on comms said, I guess, that I have a problem with my leg. थोड़ा सा कुछ issue है. I want to see Naib's doctor.
Well, yeah, he said that.
This is the big.
This is the हैमस्ट्रिंग सब कुछ ठीक हो गया। आई थिंक सौम्य, अगर ऐसे देखा जाए तो जीत इतनी बड़ी है कि सब कुछ जल्दी जल्दी ठीक हो जाता है। फिर ना हैमस्ट्रिंग रहता है, ना कोई मसल स्ट्रेच, ना कोई क्रैम्प, एवरीथिंग इज आउट ऑफ क्वेश्चन यार, सेलिब्रेशन टाइम। बट
I
एनीवे,
remember this one incident from India-Pakistan Test match where Abdul Razak was sitting down. Yeah, Mohammad Yusuf was sitting down, and Saurav Ganguly was like, "भाई तेरे को जितना टाइम लेना है ले, मेरे को अंपायर फाइन नहीं करना चाहिए." ये वैसा वाला मूवमेंट था कि तुम कुछ भी करो, लेकिन हमारे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए.
yeah, no, that's absolutely right. अच्छा, एक और
I guess there's some connectivity issue with Suramaya's network. Yeah. But Taos bhai, again, I have been talking about it that this was on the cards, right? Kind of, you can also chip in with your comments, यार, कि this has been on the cards, कि अफगानिस्तान जिस तरीके से खेल रहा था इतने टाइम से, after that, specifically after the 2019 वर्ल्ड कप का जो परफॉर्मेंस आया, जहां वो मैचेस नहीं जीते, वो नाइब का कैप्टेंसी का जो कंट्रोवर्सी हुआ, उसके बाद they have been putting in a lot of good work in their cricket. वो वर्ल्ड कप में भी दिखा, 23 में अब भी दिख रहा है. So what are your thoughts about the way they have come back after those 4 years? In these 4 years, rather?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, they see the best part is they learn from their mistakes. They don't
Yeah.
repeat it, and this is something which is admirable about these guys. I mean, firepower. You talk about firepower. You talk about
Yeah.
passion. You talk about hunger. It's all there, but then it's about learning from mistakes. It's about contributing as a team, which is the best part about this team. And just look at them. They're playing. They ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि यार इंडिविजुअल प्लेयर्स है. Although they have their greatest superstar in the lineup, Rashid Khan. I mean, you saw the last over when they were batting. He was pissed off when he did not get the strike. But the
Yeah,
other
yeah.
guy, I forgot the name,
Yeah.
who was there the other. So I mean, they agree. I mean, they are fine with, like, if Rashid is angry, I will tone down. If the other guy is angry, he will tone down. And then Naveenul Haq, you saw. I mean, what exactly happened in the last Virat Kohli controversy. See, everything they have faced, everything, but they have learned from the mistakes. Even Naveenul Haq, who had a spat with
Yeah.
Virat, he toned down his his anger. He came to know exactly he's bhai पंगा नहीं लेना है. Virat Kohli kind of a person, personality say he's kind of a god in India. He became a bit thanda when it came to all these. So it's about the learnings which Bangladesh unfortunately haven't learned from their mistake. They have been there for a long, long time. They have been there. They have learned everything. They have played
Yeah.
they played test matches. They are a test match nation. I mean, Afghanistan is also, but they have been a longer test match nation. But the best part, they have learned. A lot of teams have not learned. Even Pakistan, they have won the World Cups, yeah, but they are not learning from their mistake. Their current generation. But look at
तो
Afghanistan.
आपने मिस्टेक
Then
आपने
you
मिस्टेक
look
की
at
बात
this
करी यहाँ पे.
aspect.
ताउस भाई 1 मिनट रुकूंगा मैं आपको. आपने मिस्टेक की बात करी का ना. आई वुड लाइक टू पिक योर ब्रेन्स ऑन दिस. बांग्लादेश इज द बिगेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस. 25 साल से क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं करा. एक अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप है इनके पास और एक एशिया कप फाइनल है इनके पास. दैट्स इट. दैट्स एंड ऑफ स्टोरी.
Just that Bangladesh is a sad team. मैंने जब चेस करना है बांग्लादेश ने स्टार्ट किया था, I tweeted that if there's one team that can bottle this chase, they are batting right now and they did exactly that. वो कुछ भी करते हैं, वो कुछ भी करते हैं. आपको रनर बॉल से भी नीचे चाहिए, आप आओ. आपको नहीं समझ आ रही, ठीक है, बॉलिंग, आप आराम से सिंगल डबल ले लो. आके पता नहीं कौन सा छक्का कहाँ मारना चाहेंगे. वो सबसे बड़ा छक्का वर्ल्ड कप का, सारे बांग्लादेशी प्लेयर्स को मारना है. अलग कंपटीशन उनका चल रहा है, मैच वो जीत नहीं रहे हैं. दे आर ऑल ओवर द प्लेस एंड नॉट जस्ट इन दिस वर्ल्ड कप, इन एवरी आईसीसी टूर्नामेंट दे आर द सेम. दे ऐसे लगता है क्लब की टीम है जिनको भेज दिया, जाओ बैट बॉल लो और खेलो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे. बिकॉज दे हैव सच एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर्स. दे हैव शाकिब यार, दे हैव महमूदुल्लाह, इतने प्लेयर्स हैं, लेकिन वो भी अगर 116 चेज नहीं कर पा रहे. शाकिबुल हसन पता नहीं पहली बॉल पर आए गए, गुस्सा उनको बहुत आता है, गुस्से को चैनलाइज करके वो परफॉर्मेंस में कन्वर्ट कर नहीं पाते. तो बांग्लादेश के लिए हमेशा से एक सैड स्टोरी रही है. और ये कोई और टीम होती है, आई वुड हैव बैक दैट टीम. यार कर लेगी चीज 116. कोई न्यूयॉर्क की
खेलते हुए तो नहीं आता गुस्सा. आईपीएल खेलते हुए तो गुस्सा नहीं आता. वहां कंट्रोल हो जाता है,
वहां कंट्रोल हो जाता है, वहां परफॉर्मेंस भी नहीं आती वहां. अब तो the problem here is कि न्यूयॉर्क की पिच भी नहीं थी कि जो यार लगे 116 मुश्किल हो सकते हैं. आपके लिए अच्छी पिच है, 116 कुछ नहीं है. आप एक्सपीरियंस साइड हो, आपको पता है रनर बॉल के नीचे चाहिए। अब हाँ, एक ये था कि वो 12.1 में चेस करने गए थे कि किसी तरह हम क्वालिफाई कर जाए सेमीफाइनल्स के लिए, विच इज फेयर इनफ। इफ यू आर प्लेइंग, यू प्ले टू क्वालिफाई, यू प्ले टू गो इनटू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप। बट उसमें भी कुछ सेंस की बैटिंग चाहिए ना आपको। आप थोड़ा सोच के खेलेंगे, आप देख के खेलेंगे, कुछ भी
okay,
रैंडम। और कमेंटेटर्स भी गुस्सा।
if you were not able to achieve that 12.1 ओवर का जो इक्वेशन था वो नहीं हुआ था, उसके बाद भी आप कोई 8-9 विकेट डाउन नहीं हो गए थे, आपके पास 6 विकेट 5 विकेट
Yeah.
थे हाथ में, आराम से
Yeah.
पेस करते क्यों। और रन रेट भी कम था उस टाइम पे, रन रेट वाज डाउन टू 5 पॉइंट समथिंग जो रिक्वायर्ड
And
Yeah.
there's a set batter, there's a set batter आपके साथ लिटन दास खेल रहे हैं यार शुरू से।
Karan, if you
वो
see
उन्होंने
Liton
संभाला
Das,
हुआ है, आप संभाल लो। पता नहीं
no,
क्या
Karan,
ही
if you see Liton Das over past few months, Liton Das hasn't even delivered in any match. And if you see big tournaments, Liton Das has never finished a game. He has batted long, he has batted deep, but he has never ever finished a game for Bangladesh. And
That's a
when Liton Das was batting, you know, I had the same thought. I was like, if it could have been any other batter, then that batter could have finished a game for Bangladesh, but not Liton Das.
in this case he was not he didn't get the strike ना। आखिरी 2 जो विकेट्स गए उसमें उसके पास स्ट्राइक ही नहीं था, और ऐसा नहीं उसने, इफ यू लुक एट दैट, हाँ एक आई एग्री टू व्हाट यू आर सेइंग कि जो स्ट्राइक आपने उसको तस्किन को दे दिया, उसकी जरूरत नहीं
Yeah.
थी, रनर बॉल ही तो चल रहा था, एक आध बॉल ऊपर नीचे हो भी जाता तो फर्क नहीं
And
पड़ता,
at
उसमें
that
बाउंड्री आ
point,
जाती।
Soumya, I still
Yeah.
remember the commentator said, "Oh, Liton Das won't be running for a run because he'll be keeping a strike with him."
Yeah.
And then commentators said, "Oh, wait, what happened? Did he go for a run? Why?"
और
So
उसमें काम
even
हो गया।
yeah, and it was so obvious that everybody knew कि अब क्यों भागेगा लिटन दास एक रन के लिए, क्योंकि अब क्यों दोगे स्ट्राइक, but he did that. So that's a very very sorry side of Bangladesh. But I think if you see the entire T20 World Cup 2024, Bangladesh batting was always shoddy, and it was pretty explicit against Afghanistan as well. But that takes me to another point, Taus, that we discussed at length. You know, the other day we were just talking about Afghanistan's batting. Now they have reached to the semi-final stage. It becomes very important for them to improve their middle order batting, because that's an area of concern. You know, these are knockout matches. You'll get only one chance, one against South Africa, and if you qualify for a final, then over there. And for that, you really need good batting, and especially, you know, the middle order batters really need to perform. Apart from their bowling, apart from their you know, the openers, what can they do? Because their middle order batters are in a very poor state right now.
Absolutely, and it's because of the top order Ibrahim Zardan and Ghulam Nabi Gurbaz, Rahmanullah Gurbaz, that they have made it to the to the next stage of the tournament. Also, the Rashid Khan, which comes. See, beach mein to bahut hi khali hai, bahut khali. And I would also like to add this particular point. It's very very difficult to chase in West Indies. If you saw the last night live, or we were talking about Suramya, how difficult is the chase? It's not
Yeah.
easy to chase whatever score it
Yeah.
is, like 110 or 109, 115. It's not. That's why India, even last night, India won easily, because chase is not difficult. How much ever good start you get, the conditions become very very difficult to chase down. So like how it was in during the IPL, where chase was easier and Virat Kohli was enjoying his time chasing the games. But here it's very difficult. See, Afghanistan now, see, they have made it to the semi-final. They have made it to the knockout stages. Celebration and all, they can keep on celebrating. But then the real first test for them starts now. Like the real test. It keeps on happening. See, semi-final, then the final keeps on happening. But then now is the time, because the best sides are there in the top 4 stages. South Africa, England, India, and India and Afghanistan. See, Afghanistan should consider that Australia is not there. They have sidelined Australia, which means they'll have to double their work. Which means they'll have to contribute as a team in when it comes to batting. They are doing well with the ball. I mean, Naveen is superb, Rashid is superb, Noor Ahmed comes well at different
I
stages
just
of the game. So they have the best lineup. But it's the middle order, of course, which you were talking about. They have to capitalize on the good starts that these two guys are giving. You know, the Ram Gurbaz and the other. How they'll capitalize? Stay there on the wicket. See, if you cross that 150, 160 mark, now it becomes a bit easier to defend if you're batting first. But then when you're chasing, you have to have that fiery start. You have to contribute. You have to collaborate. It's a collaboration of the things. So you have to play as a team. This is where exactly the middle order has to come up, understand the
I
conditions.
think
The best part
Austria-
is the top order tells you कि how the conditions are. That way you can learn immediately, quickly कि भाई हमको ऐसा बैटिंग करना है. अगर आपने नहीं किया, नहीं सीखा कि टॉप ऑर्डर कैसे सक्सेसफुल हो रहे हैं, फिर आपका चांस नहीं बनेगा फिर. Now it's the stage will be tougher and toughest in the next 2 games right now.
Yeah,
I guess
absolutely.
the problem is वो Omer Zai के साथ जो वो लोग जा रहे हैं ना, because they get a extra bowling option in that. वो शायद middle order को थोड़ा सा problematic बना रहा है. If they can have someone like a Najibul in there, who's got a decent amount of experience, 100 मैच से ज्यादा खेला है वो T20, वो शायद ज्यादा स्टेबल कर सकता है, क्योंकि उमर जाए के उतने रन्स नहीं आ रहे हैं. आई अंडरस्टैंड यार कि जो ओपनर्स हैं वो बहुत तेज स्टार्ट भी दे देते हैं, और जजाए को आप ला नहीं सकते क्योंकि जजाए ऊपर का बैट्समैन है, तो उसको
Yeah.
रिप्लेस करने का डिफिकल्ट टास्क. वो ठीक है, अगर आप या तो उसे आप एक रोल दे सकते हो कि बॉस यू जस्ट हैव टू गो एंड एक्सेलरेट, और जो आपके
True.
ऊपर के बैट्समैन करके आ रहे हैं उसको करो, मिडिल ऑर्डर में उसे खिलाओ. अगर उमर जाए को खिलाना है तो फिर आपको कोई ऐसा बैट्समैन बीच में खिलाना पड़ेगा. एल्स just ask उमर जाए to step aside and have a Zadran in. No, not a problem. ठीक है, बैट एक bowling का थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे होगा, but you have 3 different spinners यार, आपको कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है, वैसे भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 3 स्पिनर
Yeah,
हैं,
yeah, this
नाइब
is
है,
doing
फजल फारूकी है. I mean, I don't understand यार, you have got 6 bowlers who can chip in, like frontline bowlers who can bowl you a quota of 4 overs. Nabi, Rashid, Noor, Naib, Faruqi and Naveen. You've got 6 bowlers who can, bowl a full quota of 4 overs, and उसमें 3 different medium pacers है, 3 different spinners हैं. आप उमर जाए को क्यों खिला रहे हो? I don't understand this. I mean, get a regular batsman in here. Just thinking.
See, what I feel is, after the comments from Rashid Khan, the captain, I feel
Yeah.
that, they want to back the players, because I heard Rashid and he said that, after the New Zealand game, we got confidence and, we were in that zone where we felt that, yes, we have it in us. We can go to the semis. We can reach to the knockout stage. And that's why we want to go with the same set of players. That's what they are doing. They made one change, against India and against that match. Yeah. So in that match, they got in...
They got Zazai in, I guess.
Yeah, they got in Zazai. Also, they demoted Zadran to number 3. So he comes out as an opener, but he came at number 3 in that match. And that was the only match where openers didn't perform well, and they had to face a defeat
No, so I'm
against
saying,
India.
I'm saying don't tinker with your opening combination now. वो चल रहा है आपका. मैं middle order की बात कर रहा हूँ. 3-4
I don't see Gurbaz playing the next match. जितना उसको था वो क्रैम्प, जिस तरीके से वो बाहर गया है, कीपर्स बहुत मुश्किल होता है कीपर मैच छोड़ के बाहर जाए, और जिस पेन में वो था, तो आई थिंक इट्स हाईली अनलाइकली, क्योंकि 26 आई थिंक कल है सेमीफाइनल, और वो इतना गैप नहीं है, 1 या 2 दिन का मैक्सिमम. अगर परसों भी हुआ तो आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज इनफ गैप फॉर गुरबाज. आई होप कि वो उतनी बड़ी इंजरी ना हो, बट अगर है तो इट विल बी अ बिग लॉस फॉर अफगानिस्तान.
बट उनका सुबह का मैच होगा, तो कल रात होगा ना, if we see it from the US timings, क्योंकि आज सुबह का मैच था, तो अब ये कल रात का मैच खेलेंगे, which will air in the morning for us. So इतने कम टाइम में कैसे रिकवरी होगी वो देखना
important होगा.
But
again, then you can also get a Zazai in, because आपको वो जो तेज खेलने का एक वो है ना, वो दे सकता है, वो अच्छा स्टार्ट वो दे सकता है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट मिडिल ऑर्डर, जो हम बात कर रहे हैं कि मिडिल ऑर्डर में कहीं ना कहीं एक स्पॉट कम है जो रन नहीं दे रहा. दैट इज आई गेस उमर
Nabi has to come good.
हाँ जी.
I
Absolutely,
believe
I
Nabi
agree.
is experienced. Nabi
Yeah.
has all the experience. He's been there.
Nabi.
Mohammad Nabi. He has all the experience of the world. I mean, I was just listening.
45 centuries का जो मैच जीता है वो.
Whatever we have seen over the years, Nabi has been there when Afghanistan were not even in the the higher stages, senior stages of the game.
अगर आप पहले अफगानिस्तान देखो, सिर्फ 2 ही तो प्लेयर्स के नाम आते थे. नबी आता था, राशिद खान आता था. It's now
they used to play the ICC division game. That is where नबी बहुत पहले से. So जब वो डिविजन्स खेलते थे, ICC के डिवीजन 3, 4, 1, तब से नबी है. So now he should take up he's been the captain. Now he should take up the responsibility. भाई अब हम पहुंचे, तो अब मुझे आगे बढ़ के लीड रोल खेलना है. Although I'm the senior most guy, so he should realize that as a batter सिर्फ अपने आप को स्पिनर और गुड फील्डर बोल के नहीं चलेगा ना. So here the
No,
stage comes where
I
he has to
still
pick up
believe
the
Rashid
responsibility.
Khan should play more overs. Rashid Khan should play more overs. He has more shots. He has a good temperament.
Absolutely.
वो आखिरी में
ये तो मैं
कुछ बॉल
IPL से कह
खेलने
रहा हूँ.
आता है तो that is वो तुक्का हो जाता है जब आप you play very few balls. It's तुक्का आप मार रहे हो लगे ना लगे.
हाँ,
Rashid
लगी
Khan
तो
with the
लगी, हाँ.
technique that he has. So you never know. But as of now, I see Afghanistan has a way better chance to go into the finals than India.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
the way South
Absolutely.
Africa are playing, for sure,
Yeah.
was
For
how
Last story मैं बोलना चाहूँगा.
convincing they have been.
They can do it. They can really do it.
Okay, quickly. For me, it's India Afghanistan in the finals. You three,
Plus
quick.
one. Plus one.
Okay, Taus bhai.
No, अफगानिस्तान मुश्किल रहेगा.
अरे जल्दी बताओ, दो टीम बताओ.
इंडिया इंग्लैंड.
इंडिया इंग्लैंड कैसे जाएगा? इंडिया इंग्लैंड तो सेमीफाइनल खेल रहा है ना.
हाँ.
Sorry, India South Africa. Sorry.
Okay, India
Okay.
South
कनव.
अफगानिस्तान होगा इंडिया इंग्लैंड में मुझे डाउट है.
नहीं बताना तो पड़ेगा ना. डाउट तो सभी को है.
England Afghanistan. I would rather go there.
England,
जाइए.
Afghanistan. Okay, it'll be very interesting to see.
जाइए, आप चले जाइए.
Stream से आपको बाहर निकाला जा रहा है कनव. Anyway, we'll just wrap it up, and I'll wrap it up with a comment from Rashid Khan. Rashid mentioned the role of Brian Lara. He said that there was only one guy who believed in us, and he was the one who told Afghanistan team that they can reach to the semis. So he said that at the welcome party, Rashid Khan told Brian Lara that we will do it for you, and we will prove you right that we can go to the semis. And after that, he got very emotional, and Rashid said that I have really no words to describe, because we had a fleeting thought about it. We never thought that it'll come so real for us in this T20 World Cup. So with this comment, you can realize and you can imagine how big of this achievement is this for Afghanistan side.
Even
Yes,
this guy on the screen, I think Jonathan Trott, what he did with the team in the last World Cup in 2023 and what he has done in this World Cup so far, he deserves a lot of credit for where Afghanistan is right now.
Also Ajay Jadeja, yaar. Also Ajay
Jadeja. Also, after the... Yeah, that was continue.
Yeah, I have a story. You know, of 2023 World Cup, they did not drink a drop of water before the Pakistan game. उनका कसम था ये कि हम खाना खाएंगे, पानी पीएंगे जब हम पाकिस्तान को हरा देंगे. And that happened. Something that is what I wanted to tell you about the fire that they have in them. That is something very special. और बहुत सारी बातें हुई, स्टोरीज भी बहुत सारी है. फिलहाल आराम से बात करेंगे.
नहीं उसके वो आप एक सेगमेंट अलग बना सकते हैं क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट के लिए ताउस भाई. Every week you can give us 3-4 stories about Afghanistan cricket and how they have come here, you know, how they have reached here. आप बिल्कुल we'll run that.
Obviously, there must be some interesting stories, and Taus, as you mentioned, the hunger in them. The hunger is not only for the cricket team; it's also for the country. Afghanistan struggling a lot. They struggle a lot with a lot of things back home. So this is a massive victory. We all know how fans came out on streets after their victory over Australia. And it was a big, big victory. We all saw the visuals. And this victory also deserves that kind of celebration because they have put in everything. And after that Australia match, you all must have seen that video. They all were celebrating in the bus. They were singing DJ Bravo. And I can see Bravo over there with them in this visual as well. So I think it's time for all of them to just celebrate and to have fun after this victory, but also to think about what they'll do in the semis because they'll be facing South Africa over there. Once again, to wrap it up, let me tell you that we've got the top 4 teams of the T20 World Cup 2024. From Group 1, it's India and Afghanistan. Afghanistan have created history. They are now in the semis. From Group 2, it's going to be South Africa, England. So you'll watch India-England semi-final and Afghanistan, South Africa semi-final. That's that from our side. Thanks a lot, Soumya, Kanav, and Taus for joining with me. Once again, congratulations to Afghanistan. And at the end, you all stay tuned to Cricket Next. Keep watching us and do subscribe us. Signing off, Suramya Kaushik with Cricket Next.
Fastest cricket score updates या सबसे detailed stats
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या healthy debates
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.